So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a vision board for free on Canva. So the first thing you want to do is go on Google and just get you some images that represent you and what you're manifesting and what you want to do in life. So I just looked up some motivational quotes and I just went ahead and picked out a few. And once I find the ones that I like, I'm just going I'm going to go ahead and drag them over to my desktop to save them. So just continue to look for any motivational quotes or any pictures or anything like that to go on your vision board. Okay, so now that we have our picture saved, we're going to go ahead to Canva and type in vision board. And it gives you a bunch of templates to choose from. So you're going to go ahead and get all of those pictures that you saved from your desktop and go ahead and upload them to Canva. So once you have all your images uploaded, you can pick a template, whichever template you would like. I picked this template. I was trying to like mess around with the template to see if I wanted to use any of the things that came with the template, but I ended up just deleting everything from the template and just used a blank canvas or whatever. So just watch me as I make my vision board here. And if you end up making a vision board, go ahead and take a screenshot of it and comment it down below. I want to see what y'all got going on. I want to know that y'all got that y'all made a vision board or whatever. So if you made a vision board, make sure to comment down below and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you have not already. All right, here is my vision board. Yes, I'm manifesting wealth, friends, a new car, a big house, inhaling confidence and exhaling doubts. I'm manifesting a luxury lifestyle. I'm designing the life I want, and I am grateful for where I am and excited about where I'm going. I love my vision board. So, that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope that this was helpful. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.